Over the past few decades, China has emerged as an undisputed industrial powerhouse, accomplishing manufacturing feats that were once thought impossible. Among its most impressive achievements are its colossal mega-factories, which have even caught the attention of presidents and world leaders, who have expressed their amazement at the Asian giant's advancements. But what makes these mega-factories so extraordinary? Why are they creating such a global impact? In this video, I'll show you the most impressive Chinese mega-factories that have pushed the boundaries of modern manufacturing. Facilities so extraordinary that no nation in the world has managed to match them. Number 8. The Sasson Robot Factory. In Shenyang, there is a facility that looks like something out of your worst nightmares, a factory where robots build robots. The Sasson Mega Factory is a fully automated industrial beast that produces the most advanced robots on the planet. This gigantic facility creates 3 types of robots that are changing our world. Super intelligent industrial robots, incredibly precise medical robots, and brutally efficient military robots. It's literally a factory building the most automated future you've ever imagined. The scariest part is that all of production is completely automated. Robots meticulously assemble other robots on lines that run around the clock, creating an endless chain of machines that spawn from other machines. This diabolical factory can produce over 50,000 super advanced robots a year, each one smarter than the last. Not only has China mastered manufacturing, but it's now creating the machines that will replace humans in the future. Number 7. The Factory Without Humans. In Ning, China, there's a place that looks like something out of a science fiction movie, a warehouse where the only workers are robots. The Sunning Logistics Mega Warehouse is a 200,000 square meters technological beast that has completely eliminated humans from the equation. Here, over 3,000 robots work non-stop 24 hours a day, processing a staggering 1.8 million packages every day. To give you an idea of the madness, a perfectly sorted package leaves this mega factory every 48 seconds. Artificial intelligence can accurately predict what you're going to buy before you even know it, strategically repositioning products for lightning-fast deliveries. The results are mind-blowing, 99.99%. Sorting efficiency and 70% lower operating costs. With an investment of $800 million, China has created the ultimate proof that the future of logistics is already here and it's completely automated. Number 6. The Pig Skyscraper. Imagine a 26-story skyscraper, but instead of offices, it's full of pigs. In the city of Yisu, they built something completely unique, a vertical building to raise over 650,000 pigs in the space equivalent to 50 football fields stacked together. This structure functions as a completely controlled ecosystem where each floor is automatically maintained at the perfect temperature, humidity, and feed. It can produce 1,200,000 pigs per year, enough to feed 40 million people. What's even more incredible is the level of technology. Each pig has a chip that monitors its health 24 hours a day. Artificial intelligence can even detect if a pig is going to get sick before it shows symptoms. The building eliminates 99.9% of bad odors and uses 75% less land than regular farms. The Chinese have proven that the animal farming revolution can literally be taken to the skies. Number 5. The Oil Refining Island. Can you imagine creating an entire island from scratch just to build a factory? That's exactly what China did with the Changxing Island refinery. This gigantic project cost $15 billion and took 10 years to complete. The refinery occupies 87 square kilometers of the artificial island and processes over 400,000 barrels of oil every day. To put this into perspective, this single facility produces 15% of all the fuel consumed by China, a country with 100 million people. The genius of the design is that it is designed to withstand devastating typhoons while also being environmentally friendly with super advanced carbon capture technology. Chinese engineers left nothing to chance: maximum efficiency, reduced pollution, and total resilience. This island is not just an impressive feat of engineering. It is proof that China can literally create new land when it needs to meet its energy needs. Number 4. BYD's Electric Empire. In Shenzhen, there is a factory that is rewriting the rules of global transportation. BYD's Gigafactory produces 3 million electric vehicles each year, making it the most powerful automotive facility on the planet. BYD produces more batteries here than Tesla, Volkswagen, and General Motors combined. We are talking about more than 500 gigawatt-hours of annual capacity, enough to store the energy consumed by Spain for 2 full months. Their production lines manufacture a battery every 1.3 seconds. The facility spans over 4,500 hectares and employs over 400,000 people directly and indirectly. Most impressively, BYD controls the entire chain from extracting coal from mines to delivering the car to your garage. It's a system so complete and efficient that it's making electric cars cheaper than regular cars, forever changing how we move around the world. Number 3. Tesla speed. Building an entire factory in just 10 months sounds absolutely impossible, but Tesla and the Chinese made it happen in Shanghai. This 86-hectare gigafactory can produce 750,000 Tesla cars every year, proving that when the Chinese set their minds to something, miracles just happen. With an investment of $2 billion, thousands of robots work in perfect coordination to assemble a complete Tesla Model I in just 10 hours. Compare that to the 30 hours it takes other factories around the world and you'll understand why this is truly impressive. Most impressively, this massive facility reduced Tesla's lead times in China from 6 months to just 2 weeks. Not only did the Chinese build the most efficient Tesla factory in the world, they turned it into a model that the company itself is copying. This factory represents much more than just automotive production. It's proof that the Chinese can perfect any technology to levels its creators never imagined. Number 2. The Mountain of Steel. The Baowu Steel Group complex in Shanghai is an industrial beast that produces more steel than entire countries. At 120 million tons per year, this facility is so large that it requires internal maps to keep workers on track. This behemoth employs 150,000 people and has furnaces that can run for 20 years straight without stopping. The facility is so massive that it has its own internal train system to get around. It's literally like running an entire city dedicated solely to steel. The numbers are mind-boggling. Baowu produces more steel than India and Russia combined. We're talking over 130 million tons per year. To put that into perspective, that amount of steel could build over 18,000 AIEL towers every year. The steel that comes out of here builds 100,000 buildings, 50,000 kilometers of railways and thousands of bridges around the world. With an economic impact of $180 billion annually, this gigantic investment has completely changed the world's industries. It has also managed to reduce pollution by 30% compared to other factories in the world. Number 1. iPhone City. In Chengzhou, there is a factory so big that it is literally a city. The Fox Complex, known worldwide as iPhone City, is where over 50% of all the world's iPhones are born. This titanic project employs 350,000 workers and produces 500,000 iPhones every day during peak seasons. That means that a fully finished iPhone leaves this gigantic facility every 17 seconds. Apple relies on this complex for 85% of its global production. This city has its own airport, hospital, universities, shopping malls, and even fire stations. It's completely self-sufficient and larger than many real cities. The assembly lines are so efficient that it takes less than 2 hours from the time raw materials arrive to the time a fully functional iPhone comes out. Working here is like living at the center of global technology. It's where the devices that connect humanity are born. We've toured 8 industrial wonders that demonstrate why China has become the undisputed manufacturing powerhouse on the planet. From fully automated warehouses to factories producing the future of mobility, each structure defies what we thought was possible in terms of industrial scale. Which of these megafactories impressed you the most? Can you imagine working in one of them? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Oh,